13 Action News, live at 11.
And tonight, COVID-19 consequences, the virus setting new records here in Nevada. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Trisha Keene.
And I'm Ty Quinones. Right now, cases, they are surging. Our case positivity rate is now the highest that it has been since August. Hospitalizations also right now nearing peak levels tonight. But there is some potentially good news on the vaccine front.
That's right. Let's get right to 13 Investigates reporter Joe Bartel's live near the Strip with the details for us. Joe.
Yeah, Todd, Tricia, COVID-19 is surging post-election, and new numbers released from the Nevada Hospital Association shows that the progress made over the past 3 months for trying to contain the virus has been lost, and beds are now filling back up. Within hours, a pharmaceutical giant, Pfizer, announcing its late-stage trial for a COVID-19 vaccine showed a 90% effective rate. Local gaming stocks, Caesars Entertainment, MGM Resorts International, Wynn, and Red Rock Resorts all surged early Monday. Wall Street thinking the breakthrough means a boom for Las Vegas.
Joe, this is incredibly exciting news. Pfizer is one of several vaccines that are now in phase 3 trials. And it's really good to see a vaccine with this level of efficacy.
Dr. Mark J. Kahn, dean at the UNLV School of Medicine, says the vaccine's fast-track timeline means it could receive emergency use authorization from the FDA by next week, with widespread availability in the first half of 2021.
We've already started manufacture, but we have to manufacture and distribute vaccine. This is a vaccine that's given in 2 doses, 3 weeks apart.
The vaccine uses the body's own immune system to produce the antibodies to fight against COVID-19, but it requires special handling.
It needs to be kept very cold. It needs to be kept at about minus 80 degrees. Your refrigerator at home is probably somewhere around 25 degrees, and your freezer is at about 0 degrees. So minus 80 is really cold and requires some special processing.
Meantime, the virus numbers are discouraging. The Nevada Hospital Association revealing cases are setting peaks not seen since August. Close to 1,000 people are in hospital beds right now in Clark County for reasons connected to COVID-19. Authorities warning the current surge is effectively erasing the progress made over the past 3 months.
We've been monitoring it very closely. For the last month. We always knew that the weather would get colder in late October and through Thanksgiving. So, we're getting ready to increase our testing.
Clark County Chairwoman Marilyn Kirkpatrick says right now more business closures are not on the table, adding it appears the spread is happening with gatherings where people are close together. 13 Investigates has learned a Dieter call center handling unemployment insurance in Southern Nevada closed Monday after an employee tested positive for the virus. An unknown number of other employees are being contacted to see if they need to be also tested and quarantined. The center will be cleaned and there's no risk to the public. Clark County has been flagged for 4 consecutive weeks for increased spread of COVID-19. On Thursday, local officials will have to present a plan on how they plan to combat this with state leaders. Reporting live, Joe Bartel's 13 Action News.
All right, Joe, thank you. Well, the first people like